Thank you very much for this opportunity, all the panelists, as well as participants. On this presentation, capacity building in the legal profession of the Global South or commercial dispute resolution. I am trying to highlight Nepali perspective. Basically, the present position of commercial disputes resolution in Nepal in the light of socio-economic and political landscape would be the matter of coverage. Then Nepalese legal practitioners' competencies and weaknesses in commercial dispute resolution. Identifiable steps taken by Nepal Bar Council and Bar Association vis-a-vis capacity building in commercial dispute resolution, and finally I will try to shed light on the way forward. Nepalese First Company Act as a part of commercial law was promulgated in 1930s before we got democracy. It was the law intending to boost up economy through companies, but no many more companies were established. Few industries under the control of the rulers who came into being, they could not sustain for a long time. General law was country code that was made in 1854 after our ruler Jagabahadur visited Europe. Country code 1854 was replaced in 1960s by new country code incorporating values developed in the world during the interval. In the course, Arbitration Act was made in 1981 when the country was having controlled economy, licensing system, establishment of the industries and business activities on the interest of the rulers. The economy was not liberalized. Following liberalization, globalization, adoption of privatization policy and law, we replaced Arbitration Act in 1999, which has been the existing law. Arbitration Act inter alia provides ex equo id bono and amiable compositor. That is not practiced. Ex equo id bono and amiable compositor provides wider opportunity to arbitrator to change the claim and to deliver award beyond claim, counterclaim, rejoinder and others. That is not practiced. And our experience is after arbitrator delivers award, there is system of filing petition in High Court. High Court delivers decision either by upholding or reversing or telling arbitrator to revisit award. After that, dissatisfied party enters into Supreme Court and it is taking long time. The question is, if everything is finally settled down by the court, what is relevance of arbitration? What is the basic norm of arbitration? How is it treated? That has been the question, fundamental question, over which every time we are discussing, representing different parties. Now, apart from this, commercial dispute resolution is also handled by Civil Code 2017, which is third generation law following 1854 Country Code, Foreign Investment and Technology Transfer Act 2019 is also in the course. We have ratified New York Convention on Enforcement of Foreign Arbitral Awards in 1998. Special commercial benches are established in High Court, not in District Court, not in Supreme Court, because we consider Supreme Court judges are specializing and getting adequate knowledge and experience in all the fields, including commercial. So there is no commercial bench. We are having at the present time the generation trained in general laws, basically guided by country code. At present, graduate courses are designed in line with international standards, incorporating all the recent developments of the countries. And that has eased, the scientific development has eased the access into global resources to our students and teachers, law practitioners, judges who all are associated in one or different form in commercial field. We also offer Master of Laws, LLM, after 1990s. Then, a specific set of lawyers practice arbitration. It is seen as segregated area of law. We are developing arbitration practicing lawyers as well in terms of their contribution. We are training them as well. There is lack of awareness in the legal literature relating to commercial law. Practice of mediation is encouraged by courts, resulting in many commercial disputes being resolved in such a manner. So, arbitration, mediation, negotiation, conciliation, all are existed. But so far, result of mediation is concerned. Result is okay. Result of resolution of the case by the court is raising large, is giving no result than mediation. On the other hand, Nepal Bar Council has recently established Lawyers Academy, in which President of Nepal Bar Association is the head. It is represented by different sectors of legal organization. It has designed commercial law course and offering training in different parts of the country. It has categorized lawyers into lawyers in necessity of basic course, advanced course. 10 years, 25 years of practices have been designed. Publication is also there. In the publication, commercial law issue is also the case. In 2025, recently we have published Bar Council Journal with the incorporation of commercial law articles. Nepal Bar Association is also publishing, doing seminars, national convention once a year, once 3 years, participated in by more than 3,000 lawyers. Apart from this, there is Nepal Council of Arbitration, Nepal International Area Center, NIAC, which provides set of rules and encourages alternative dispute resolution in commercial dispute. This is this scenario. We have challenged to make arbitration institutions robust, widespread in commercial disputes. We are focusing on the skill building as well as training. We are suggesting universities for the revision of the courses. Then we want to bring our practice into Asia Pacific level by exchanging information and others. For non-ADR as well, there is focus for special court, tribunal, traditional courts strengthening. In our context, there is informal agency active. Some of communities have their own legal system based on custom and tradition. Modern law is still today being unable to penetrate their tradition. So they settle down their dispute by appointing their one judge that is matching with arbitration practice. And we are also seeking permission of the court for the enforcement of the foreign arbitral award, but reciprocal agreements are not significantly made, so that this factor of law is facing crisis. In the meantime, by Lawyers Academy, we are training to the lawyers by utilizing our resources. And finally, before say thanks, I should say Nepal Bar Association at present is preparing to establish arbitration center with the cooperation of Nepal Engineers Association, Nepal Construction Entrepreneurs Association. We are exchanging memorandum of understanding among each other, and Bar Association is to look after purity of justice. Bar Association is to put the judges in track. Not only this, it is also to play trade unionist role, look after members' welfare, expansion of the business. Since number of students is mushrooming, schools are also grown. What business can we give to them? What bread should we share with them? That is the challenge we are facing at the present time. And in this global village, in order to brighten each other's knowledge, we have to exchange materials, establish a center for exchange of the information, and more importantly, do this kind of seminar conferences, which may work as additional part of Lawyers Academy from time to time. Thank you very much for listening.
With this, we come to the end of this working session. From the present discussion, one thing is underscored.